Upawan na idan.
Ha? Yay. Popo, abangan. Kurang-kurang. Yung Ninja Turtle.
Hi mga ka-OA! So for today's video is kuyog na ko kang mga workmate and yes, come and join us as we have our breakfast with a view in Humba Heaven, which is located also in Busay, just ahead of the road and a few meters from tops of Cebu City. It's just a 20 minutes drive from Cebu City, of course. So the ambience here is so relaxing and refreshing, jud, like mura kag naa sa Tagaytay day as in. And ano jud siguro no basta magka-gors na tadi na ta ng party kiat-kiat kay very chill jud ang vibes here. So this place is perfect for us jud since we needed a quick break from the city, especially gikan mi work ana and walay mga gotch ang mga person. So kana ganing feeling na moari ka diri, then imurang kantahan og kanang wag muna tayo umuwi. Ay, piste kaya bag. Sorry. Muna siya basta ako masulti. Super lami and sulit jud kayo lang foods diri tas daghan jud ilahang rice di jud ka magmahaday. You can post the menu for your reference if ever mangari mo. So yeah, tanawa na lang na ang video.
Humba Heaven made by Lyle.
Wala mo minum. Lato na siya.
Aray, Humba Heaven.
Asa nga kayo kay? Oh, na. Come. Kasi man ay hole.
Lyle.
Half.
Asan half? Ako ang half.
Pamanggo ni dollar ka person. 46. Dapat na. Amo ni. Thank you. Ay. Say. Ay. Okay.
Judy TV. Subscribe.
Diba, nangarimig Humba Heaven pero wala minitry silang humba day. Anyways, open din sila daily from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Bye!